At Heartland Turf, our fertilizer and weed control program is about more than just providing lawn applications. We'll be your trusted lawn advisor. New clients receive a complimentary lawn and soil analysis. This analysis gives us a comprehensive picture of the current condition of your lawn and identifies if any adjustments are needed to help your lawn reach its full potential. You'll receive a copy of these results along with any recommendations that we have. Every visit, our technicians inspect your lawn for early signs of trouble, so you're informed before small issues become big problems. We'll keep a close eye on things, and if we ever feel that adjustments need to be made, we'll always keep you updated. Each time we complete a service, we will send you detailed information about the treatment we applied, as well as any recommendations from the technician. No contracts, no pressure, just unmatched customer service and results that speak for themselves. With regular, comprehensive lawn reviews and a proactive approach, Heartland Turf is more than a service. We're your lawn's biggest advocate. Heartland Turf, actively caring, expertly advising, always improving your lawn.